push this in here with your nail and just pull the wire, it'll come out. This side, see that gap there, yeah? You're just going to start it like that. And that's all you're doing, just like this. That's why you need two hands. Behind the plastic, just like that. There we go. Beautiful.
Production.
Oh, welcome back to the video. So in today's video, Sadiq's not here, he's at work, so I've got no one else to record for me. And it's sunny, so I don't know when it's going to be sunny again. Okay, so today's video, we're going to be changing them into sequential ones. Okay, they come in the kit there. All you're going to need is a T10. T10's a hard one now because not everyone has a T10, but you're going to need a T10 to take this off, right? And then all you're going to need is a flathead. I've made a video on how to remove this cover. It's a nightmare to put it back on, but obviously I'm going to try and do everything one hand now. Right, easiest way, like that, straight there. Give it a tug, right? Come on, you prick. Let it hang, and then you're going to flathead. One there. You're going to get one clip there and one just there, okay? And all you're doing is that down, and at the same time you want to use your other hand to pull this off. It's fucking hard with one hand, so I'll be back in a bit. Right, wedged off, that comes off, goes down there, okay? Then it's right here, look, see the T10s? One there and one. Wait, what the fuck? This one's not even got one in. Can you see that? That should have a T10 in there, but it's got one. Whoa, what the hell? I think it's been changed before by someone else. What's going on? Right, it should have one and that, but first time I'm noticing that. You see that? Should have one there and one there. Bastards. I've been that off. But that just goes to show it just holds on with one. Make sure I don't drop this one, because I won't be able to find it again. There we go. Best place here now. So this one here, okay, you see the lip right there at the bottom, okay? It's got a lip that is hidden underneath this plastic one, so that's what you're trying to get off, okay? Actually, I'll take this off now. This one here, you just push this in here with your nail and just pull the wire, it'll come out, okay? So that's what I'm trying to take off here. It's very awkward. I'm going to try just this side. See that gap there, yeah? I'm just going to start it like that. Put a flathead in there, and then look, it's pretty much off that side, okay? And now it's fucking off one side, but I need it off the old side. Come on, off you go, you fucking cunt. Don't fucking move your knobhead. Piss me off. Just like that. I can get this off with two hands. I'm gonna try it with one hand. Look, it's pretty much off. It's pretty much off. Come on, one hand. Alright, one hand's not working. We're off, ladies and gentlemen. Right, get it right in that corner. Unhinge it and literally use your hand. One hand to hold this and one hand to absolutely rip shit out of it. Oh, fuck's sake, Sadiq. You're not here. Now, to put this in, right, get this side in first. Into the hole. You see that hole there? He goes in there, right? Okay, get him in there, sit him in, right? Once that side's in, it's pretty much all you have to worry about is this lip here, just a bit of lip there, and you can just try it with one hand, push it down, and look, it's on. It's on. Look at that magic. The lip has caught it. Everything's on. Magic, right? It's solid to take it off. But I'll show you again on that side. If you just get at this corner here, whack it over, and then use one hand to grab this off. In. Yeah, so it's got no click, it's weird as fuck. Right, so let me just take it out again. Okay, it's got no click. I'm here expecting a click, but it literally just slides in. It's a weird one, so that's pretty much in. There we go. Beautiful. Right. And block out the sun. You barely even tell it's on. That one there. Beautiful eyes. Bang on, wash. Bang on. They had to screw your one screw in. I think it just holds it with one screw, because this side just never had one. And the main one's just that. But yeah. So on this side I do have the one screw there and one there. Yeah, mixed with a lot of cobwebs. Right, them two there. Out. This one. And that one. Just make sure you don't drop them. Yeah, I don't know why the other side was missing though. Ooh. Put this one at fucking tricky. I'm going to use two hands for that one because I don't want to risk dropping it. Alright, so screws out. So I'm going to take this out. Right, that out there. So you come right here and you just you want to start the car just like that, bang, straight off, okay? And then this, I'm going to try. Right. Literally get in there, right? Get the flathead in there. And just move it, unhinge it. The biggest hinge is over here, the twat, right? And that's all you're doing, just like this. That's why you need two hands. If you tried one hand, it's solid, right? Unhinge this plastic away from it, just like that. Oh, you fucking arsehole. There we go. Fucking twat. Right, then to put it in, get this side in first. I think I can do this with one hand. Did the other side. Okay, once that side's in, it's just pretty much this lip that you want to tuck in. Oh no, behind it. That there. Behind the plastic. Just like that. Once he's in, pretty much all good to go, just like that, and then just screw there and screw there. Look at that magic. I'll hold it. Let me just check if it works. No point tightening it all up. That ain't fucking wet mash. Beautiful. So let me tighten them up, and yeah. Actually no, you can look at this side here. I'll just end this video here with the cover back on. Yeah boy, all blacked out, come on, what are you saying? Cheers for watching, see you next one.